hope you're all well. This video, as you already seen from the title, is slightly bit different as I am reviewing a product that I never reviewed before on my channel. This is a woman's best wear, the gym wear, the active wear that I got. I spent my own money for it, so it's not sponsored in case you're wondering. To be honest, I've been looking for like a nice pair of leggings all over internet because obviously shop styles don't close and all. So I've been looking, where I could buy like a proper nice gym wear, for exercising, because I do exercise at home. And to be honest, like loads of leggings that I see, I feel like if I will buy it, it'll be a bit of disappointment. So I've seen loads of posts of the girls wearing women's best gym wear, active wear. So I thought, you know what? I'm gonna give it a go and order it. I don't know if it's gonna be any good or bad. If I order the right size or not. Size-wise, I'll always go for UK size 6 or XS. So this is what I did. I ordered size XS. What I like about it so far is the packaging itself, 100% recyclable. It says, before I was your box, I had another use. Please recycle me so I'm free to be useful again. Okay, let's open up. So the box itself looks pretty. I just hope that the expectations will live up with the reality, So I got 2 pairs of leggings. Okay, let's go with the first pack. What does it look back as well? Oh, the bag, it says that is degradable plastic. That's a plus. These leggings are power seamless leggings, black and extra small. This is the size that you can go for. So hopefully it's gonna fit properly because, you never know when you buy online, because you can't properly measure up and see. But love so far the packaging. Okay, let's see. Ooh, it looks very tiny. Oh my god, I'm not sure if you guys are able to see. Wait, I'm gonna back up a bit. It looks very small. Well, it's supposed to be stretchy material, so hopefully, yeah, it should be fine, I think. But it's like proper, I don't even know, like proper would kind of push you up. That's the right term. I hope you guys know what I mean. Love this. I love this like a high-waisted part, like a thicker belt part. I hope you're able to see, guys. You see? Love this part. Love that it's like extra high-waisted. It has this wider part for the waist. It's like this big. See, guys? So logo in here. Then it has this detail going on the side as well. I hope you guys are able to see. The material itself is no way see-through. Like it looks like it's extra breathable, to be honest, but it's not see-through at all. So that means it will be a squat proof as well. And this pattern that goes on the side of a leg, that I just showed you, it actually goes through the front, around the knee, and then down to the ankle part. So far this looks very promising. I'm just scared it might be a bit too small. I'm gonna quickly put this on so you can see how good the pattern is. Right, so I got the leggings on and it's actually perfect fit, like size XS. I was scared for nothing because when I opened it up, I was really stressing it's gonna be far too small for me because it just looks so tiny. But then it's like super stretchy, but the stretch is like proper, I don't even know how to tell you. Like if you would be exercising or anything, this wouldn't go stretchy, like just flapping off. That makes any sense. Like it feels like this would stay in the same place. This is how it looks on. I just hope you're able to see. I personally really like it. Just hope you guys see this properly. I really like it. It feels very nice on as well. Sits very nicely on. It feels nice on. I like that it's like super high-waisted. I like this part in here, You guys, what you think? I really like it. Let's open another bag. Right, another ones that I got are these ones. I took in like a baby blue color because I don't know, I just feel like this. And these ones are Women's Best Move seamless leggings, blue marl, extra small. I don't know. Let's open up. Once again, this looks super tiny. Like it looks super tiny. It looks like it's far too short for me as well. Like look at that. it just looks like it's gonna be far too tiny, but then these ones looked exactly the same, so I have high hopes. But these are so much different comparing from these power ones. The power ones has like a print going on all over my leg in here, you know, all over here, and then around the knee and all. These doesn't have any print going on whatsoever anywhere. It's just like super thick waistband part is super wide as well, just like this one is. Once again, it has this logo in here. Let's put these on and see how this looks on. Alright, so I got the leggings on, and you guys, I mean, it fits perfectly, just like a previous one did, although it looks super tiny when I unpacked, as you guys seen, because it looks just too tiny. It looks like I wouldn't fit in, but it fits perfectly. Like, look at that. Like, the length on the legs is just perfect. It fits perfectly, it feels perfectly, like, perfect size. Another thing that I really like, the material itself is so super soft, you guys. Like, I just can't. It's so soft. Like, the first leggings material was super soft and like really nice to wear and all, but these ones, oh my god, the material is just heavenly. Like, it feels like I'm not wearing anything whatsoever. Like, I'm not saying the first one didn't feel comfortable or anything, but this, like, it's completely different material what it's made from. It just feels so soft, you guys. Like, so soft. And once again, this like super high-waisted, like a wider part on a waist, but once again kind of sucks you in. Plus, it's so comfortable, and it's kind of tighter as well, so it wouldn't go flapping around if you know, exercise the push-ups or whatever. And it's not see-through. Once again, material is not see-through at all. It's super heavy, plus it looks amazing on. I think that this fits just perfectly. Like, it's so comfortable, it's not see-through. It feels like I'm not wearing anything whatsoever, to be honest. Like, I could stretch and all, and this doesn't move at all. Like, it sits in a place, you know what I mean? Like, yeah, these are good. I'm really surprised. Thumbs up from me. Like, I'm really surprised how good these are. This is me ordering for first time, not sponsored. Nothing, did my own research. Was trying to find like a good brand for leggings that would stay in a place, would, you know, fit perfectly, would have this like extra wide waist part and would be high-waisted, be comfortable, and I think I found a really good one. So I'll definitely be ordering from them more. I want some like cycling shorts, you know, for exercising. I'm just so excited, can you tell? So I'm definitely gonna be ordering from this brand more. I'm totally sold. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If so, please don't forget to press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. And leave a comment down below. Let me know what other brands you like, so I can check those out as well, and how their sizing works, like what size you are and what you would order. And maybe I should do a video of my like daily exercise routine. Daily, I mean, it's not really daily, but you know what I mean. If you are interested in my exercise routine, I can do a video on that as well. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you very soon. Have an amazing day, you guys. Bye.